Hey guys, look at my little purge. It's coming out. Everything else looks great. We are going to be talking a little bit more about AERIFY tonight. You guys know my EMERAGE Skin AERIFY kit is the hot new commodity in the skincare community. We are selling these like hotcakes because they work amazing, and you guys are now seeing our, hi Jordan, you guys are now seeing so many of our clients just posting amazing selfies about themselves after using this kit. I developed this kit, which has inside, I'm going to show you guys the EMERAGE Skin AERIFY peeling kit instructions, and then inside you could see phase 1, which is the mask we're going to do tonight with Julian, and phase 2, which is all the products inside. You could see all the products here, including our cleanser, our mask, our vitamin A, our brightening cream, our soothing cream, and our sunscreen. I can't wait to do the collab. It's going to be great. All made with high quality medical grade products. A mix of hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, green tea, blueberry, retinol. There's so many great things. We have so many sexy patients doing this. They're super excited about it because this is a skin booster. This just makes your skin look unbelievable. You could do it between your lasers. You could do it between your facials. You could do it to enhance the quality of your skin. I just did 2 different peels in a row to make my skin look better, and I had some deep pimples. One is coming out, but it's basically gone. So in like a week, this will be gone. But look at the quality of my skin after just a week. We are going to be so excited about the collab, Jordan. It's going to be great. And I'm so excited. I would love, yeah, of course, we are definitely interested. All the products are at emeragecosmetics.com. You can order there. A portion of the proceeds are going to help different in-need charity groups. The AERIFY Complexion Kit is there. We are now just going to have Julian on, so let's get him on now. It's going to be great. My skin is looking flawless except for the one pimple, but you know what? This is real life. They come and they go. It is what it is. Inside the kit, let me show you guys all the products. The foaming cleanser, the vitamin A, our high spot brightening cream, our fusion sealed sunscreen, which is our SPF peptide anti-aging sunscreen, our soothing moisturizer, and our AERIFY mask. So let's get Julian in now. It's gonna be great. Hi, Amy. So excited that you're on. So this is very, very luxe, very Chanel-like. There he is.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Everybody's anticipating your results because they saw how great you looked after the first peel. And now they want to see how you're going to look when we maintain it. So
right.
tell us who you are. Tell us why you want to do a peel for your skin.
So I'm Julian. I did the chemical peel a couple months ago, and the results were great.
Which peel did you do? What peel was that?
The Rev Skin peel.
Why did you do that?
Just to brighten, kind of get some new baby skin, get rid of some of my acne scars. I don't have anything that's too deep, but usually when I get a pimple, they'll kind of stay, and they like to stay for a while. So that helped reduce that, brighten it, clear it up a little bit. I'm doing the AERIFY peel because
everyone's calling you hot and a cutie right now.
Oh,
Jason Michael is really liking you. There's a bunch of people on here. This is the thing, you guys. Everybody likes good skin. They feel better about themselves. That's why our philosophy was giving you courage. And you can see on the back of the card that's inside the kit, it says the courage to redefine, because peels help you literally redefine your skin. Kabine Creative says you're perfect because you use EMERAGE.
Oh yeah, I have my
oh, look at that foaming. What do you, yeah,
my hyaluronic B.
I know, that's my favorite. The vitamin B, you guys, that he just showed, show that again, the Hyla B. Show it up close. The Hyla B is made of multiple molecular weight hyaluronic acid. So if you go over the counter and someone tells you hyaluronic and it's less than $20, $30, they definitely don't have multiple molecular weights, which means that it's not really penetrating the skin that much, and you're not getting the benefits of the plumping and the hydration. In that one specifically, there's vitamin B to decrease inflammation, so redness goes down. And then also there's tamarind seed in there to calm inflammation and tighten the skin. And actually, just so you guys know, in the Hyla A that's inside this peel, that Hyla B is in there. It's inside of this. It's the vitamin A plus the licorice root and the hyaluronic acid. And you know, everyone knows that you should be using retinol every night. Oh, look, Kabine says Allure Magazine just recommended the Hyla B for this year. Well, that's amazing. And then Michael Olizo loves it. That's great. We love that. Well, the Hyla A is the vitamin A, and you guys, we'll talk about this in a minute. Hi, Dr. Jill. Because this is the core. This is a retinol-based mask peel. The mask itself, I'm going to show them really quickly, the illuminating mask. This mask has in it brightening agents and exfoliating agents. The brightening agents that are in here are the vitamin C, the kojic acid, the arbutin, and the niacinamide that helps decrease redness and helps it brighten. The peeling agent is TCA, lactic acid, retinol, and salicylic acid. The Rev peel you did before was a mixture of salicylic acid, lactic acid, and phenol. That literally burns the skin. So what was that like?
It actually did not really get irritated. The application process
not bad.
Was that was a little painful, just kind of like feeling it, but it wasn't like I think I've said before, it wasn't anything unmanageable. It's not a bad pain, and
then what was it like after though with the skin?
Oh, it was just super soft, super clear. It definitely got rid of a lot of my acne scars, so my skin was pretty clear.
Yeah, and that's because of the phenol and because it was a deeper peel, you had like sheets. What you're gonna get with this is light flaking. I've been doing this for like a week and a half. Light flaking has been coming out.
So how long were you peeling for?
Well, it really should only be for about 2 or 3 days. But I did the mask twice. I did it 2 different times a week apart. So I got a much stronger peel. I also added on a couple other brightening creams with it. I used a bleaching agent and some kojic acid. So I added a few other things. But the reason I made this was if people couldn't afford to go to a dermatologist and get a really good peel, they could do for only a few $100s, get the whole kit, which has a lot of products in it, and get a really good improvement with a slew of products from my line. The other thing that's in here is the High Spot, the Brighten Glow Cream. This is made of a mixture of botanical agents and vitamin C. I love this. If you look at all the before and afters we have of the brown spots and the blemishes, I'm starting to put it on here right now, the acne, this really clears it up because it's made of blueberry extract, that's an anti-inflammatory, green tea and mulberry that help calm the skin, vitamin C, licorice root for pigmentation, and then the other thing that's in here are peptides. And in my line, there's 2 peptide products, Refit Eye and Refit Face. Both of them, David says you're absolutely beautiful. I just want you to know. And Caroline, I know bleaching creams are sometimes important, at least twice a week. Using a really strong lightening or bleaching cream is really important. If you don't want to do that, that's where the High Spot Brighten Glow Cream comes in, because there is no bleaching in here. It's just lightening. It's green tea, mulberry, licorice root, vitamin C, and this will make the skin glow without having that irritation and that the risk of the bleaching irritating the skin. And they're going crazy here. They're saying, can we get this in Australia? Yes, you can. Go to emeragecosmetics.com. We actually got our first office order from Nigeria today. They ordered a bunch of each product to Nigeria, a practice there. So we're so excited. Emerage Skin is going to be in Nigeria, and people are going to be using, I know it's crazy, they're going to be using the kit there. But you can use this twice a day. So the goal with you, Julian, was let's get you a boost. They already say you're looking amazing. Caroline says you look amazing. 23 Nelson says you're amazing. And Kabine says it's because you're using Emerage. So if you guys want this, go to emeragecosmetics.com. You can get the whole thing. Let's go through what you just did. You've already cleansed, right?
Yeah, I just washed with the foaming polish.
Yeah, so tell them about it. Why do you like this polish? Because you've been using this before the kit. Just so you guys know, he has not done AERIFY before. We know he has a glow. We know everyone thinks he's cute. We know they like his skin, but he hasn't used AERIFY yet. This is his natural. He did a Rev peel, and he's been doing skincare, and he had a little birthday present to himself in the office with a facial. So that's it. That's it. But he does a lot of skincare, just like everybody does. So tell him about the foaming polish. What do you love about it?
So I actually was using before the Restore C foaming cleanser. Which one is
And
this?
you know what? Let me tell you something. I love that foaming cleanser. It's made of a mushroom extract, and there's some enzyme from fish in there that help to brighten the skin. The difference really with them is this has in it hydrolyzed jojoba beads, so it's very hydrating. Right. And it also has the licorice root and other brightening botanicals in here, so you get a little bit more of a glow. What do you think?
Like, okay, so I just used it right before I got on the live, and like obviously I'm glowing. My skin is soft, and even just the
they're telling you that. They're saying that.
The application is so soft, and on that topic of softness, I tested your vitamin C serum today, and I compared it to another brand, and just like the texture, yours is so soft, and putting it on my skin just felt so smooth.
I know. So the AOC, you guys, that he's talking about is literally the world's first anhydrous vitamin C, meaning there's no water in it, and it has a velvety texture. So I call it velvety because it really feels like super elegant on the skin. It's not sticky. It's not glossy.
Either.
Exactly, and there's no real scent. Unfortunately, most vitamin C's have that hot dog or that kind of weird smell. It doesn't really have that. It has more of a clean medical, you know what I mean? Yeah. So this is, and just so you guys know, I'm working right now on 3 different Instagram filters. It's such a secret, but Instagram is allowing me to have 3 different filters. They're being produced by a friend of mine who's an amazing filter expert in Europe, and in the next few weeks, Emerage Skin will have a filter on Instagram. What kind
of filters are we expecting?
What?
What kind of filter are we expecting?
3 different filters: a male facial contouring filter, a female facial contouring filter, and then an Emerage Skin Glow filter.
Ooh.
It's going to be amazing. So that's, you guys know, again, let's show them the foaming cleanser, because I want them to see it. If you guys want to get it, you can at emeragecosmetics.com. And here's the thing, I also have an enzyme cleanser. If you get acne or pigmentation and you really want to get a little bit more out of it, use the enzyme cleanser in the morning and do the foaming one at night.
Right, and I also bought the enzyme cleanser. I'm waiting on that one to come in.
Good. So, yeah, because we sold out of it because it's papaya enzyme and mixed acids. It's really a good cleanser, and you can put it on. It's a secret tip. You can put it on for 10 minutes, leave it on, and it acts as a little light mask, as a micro peel. And so then the next step in the kit, you guys, is to use the High Spot Cream twice a day. That's our Brighten Glow Cream, the vitamin C, the green tea, mulberry, and blueberry. And then licorice root, and then at nighttime to use the Hyla A, which is the retinol, licorice root, and hyaluronic acid. And remember, there's peptides in here that's anti-aging. So if you want to add some anti-aging, you could add the Refit Face and Eye twice a day. But the vitamin A is at night. Now, if you want the peel to be a little stronger, use this twice a day, or add a little more retinol if you care. If you already have a retinol. Okay. Do you have a regular retinol already?
I actually still have a little bit of retinol left from my
Rev, the Rev Skin?
Yeah.
Perfect. So use that in the morning and do the Highlight A at night, and you'll
Okay.
get a little bit more out of it. You can use this on your neck and chest. Just so you guys know, right now, the amount that's in here covers one area. We will be coming out in the next month with individual packets as well as triplicates. So you can do face, neck, chest, and hands all at the same time if you want. Or you can use your EMERAGE products with these at home and do these more frequently. Another little tip is you can take a Q-tip and put this around the eye and do it every week for an eye peel.
Which one?
Yeah, it's really amazing. So you can get this for various things, and yes, you can do this on every skin type. Any skin type can do this, dark skin or whatever. The last part is our Fusion Shield, you guys. I wanted to make a sunscreen that was non-chemical. Thank you so much, Frank. Non-chemical, but also anti-aging. So in here is peptides, marine extracts for tightening the skin, and vitamin C. So you're gonna get anti-aging here at the same time. And I know, don't you love eye peels, you guys? This is the secret tip, the secret weapon right now. Now, I will tell you, there's an article that was just written on this peel being used in the anal area. So you can use this, what we call the Titan Bright. And you could use this on the elbows, the knees, anywhere that you, in the groin, wherever you get pigmentation, this can be used on all skin types. If you have dark skin around the eyes, if you're Indian, Hispanic, mixed ethnicities, you're tired, you have dark circles, I know, go look it up. Type Titan Bright Jason Emer. It comes up. It was published last week. And we had over 40 people order it for anal rejuvenation this past week. I swear to God, on my life.
That's crazy.
So you can do this at home every couple weeks. You guys are welcome for the tip. Jason Michael seemed to really love that.
Yeah, he did.
I'm sure he did. So why don't you put on the mask? Are you ready?
Right. Yes.
Put on the mask. So I'm going to talk to them really quickly. So inside, while he's putting on the mask, you guys, there's the AERIFY instructions that talks about how it brightens the skin, how it clarifies, and how it firms. And inside, it has all the products we just went over. It explains them and tells you night and day how to use them. Obviously, you're not going to wear the sunscreen at night because it's dark and you're inside.
Right.
But the sunscreen can be if you go out in the day. Now, he's going to apply that. He already cleansed.
Right. So real quick. So I heard you're not supposed to rub it in.
Yeah, don't
Correct.
rub it fully. You can rub, but don't over rub.
Okay.
Just get a nice coverage. Don't go crazy with it. Oh, my hair is too long, you guys. That's why I look different right now. I've been working lots of surgeries. I have a long beard. I have a pimple, and I have a lot of hair. That's because I've been stressed. We're working a lot. But don't worry. I will go back to normal this weekend when I get a haircut. So he's applying the mask. Why is it this color? It's because of the retinol, you guys, that's inside. The illuminating mask has the highest strength medical grade TCA, salicylic acid, retinol, and lactic acid in the exfoliating part. So that's going to be on overnight, basically, 8 to 10 hours.
Okay. So what's the drying process? So if someone's putting it on this late at night,
yeah,
just
let it dry. Listen,
pillows?
I actually did it on my white. I did it when I had white sheets, and I didn't really get on there once it dried.
Good.
You would leave it for like 20, 30 minutes. But if you're nervous, put a towel down on the sheets before. Get really in there. Get the corners. Get all the way up on the eye. You can even do a
just everywhere.
Everywhere. Get it on there. It's nice the color is there because then you could see it when you're applying it. Oh, be careful.
I know I'm on a charger.
Don't get hurt.
I know, I can't fall.
So they're saying I still look good even with this crazy beard, my pimple, and my long hair. I'm glad that you guys love me no matter what. Thank you.
I know. I heard something. A friend told me once, if you're pretty, even if you have a pimple, you're still pretty. You know?
Well, I always tell people if someone loves you at your worst, if they like you at your worst, they're gonna love you at your best.
Exactly. Hopefully I'm liked at my worst.
Exactly. So you're applying the mask. So he's going to apply it very, very evenly. This has the perfect amount. There's also, remember, vitamin C in here, kojic acid, arbutin. Both of them are alternative lightening agents, as well as niacinamide, which is why those that have acne or sensitive skin or rosacea can use it.
Right. My roommate had asked about it. She was wondering, I think she has rosacea. She had mentioned it. She's like, is
She
it
can
okay
use
for
it.
that?
Yeah, she can totally use it. Make
Perfect.
sure you go over all the areas you get problem, like pimples and stuff. Cover everything. Go all the way up to the eye. Work on those dark circles. I have Cabine is writing. The Brighten Tight is right there, you guys. You can search Brighten Tight on Google and go to emeragecosmetics.com. Here, I'll ping so you guys can know where to go.
And we're using this whole tube.
How does it feel? Yeah, I want you to use it all.
It feels good. It applies smooth. I feel like on any of my blemishes, I feel it a little extra, like a very like 1 to 10 burn, like a 2.
Good.
So
There really shouldn't be a lot of burn. Remember, the Rev peel that you had before was an inflammatory burn peel. This peel is more of an exfoliation peel. So this sits on and it basically tells your skin to turn over faster. And then what he's going to do, you guys, he's going to leave this on overnight. And then he's going to start the High Spot Brighten Glow. This is our alternative bleaching cream. This is our non-hydroquinone lightening agent. This has the green tea, the mulberry, the blueberry, the peptides. And if you want more peptides, you're a little older, or you want to do your neck and chest and get a little bit more anti-aging, go to emeragecosmetics.com, which is pinned below, and get the Refit Face and the Refit Eye. You can apply those twice a day with this. It also has vitamin C and licorice root to brighten the skin. So that's why blemishes improve a lot. And this does help with aging spots, but this is a booster, you guys. This is not an aggressive peel, which is why it's a very inexpensive price. But if you want something more aggressive, Enlighten or Cosmelan peels can be done at home and with us virtually. We do free skincare consults every day at emeragecosmetics.com. You could do this after filler. You could do this after laser. We actually do this after Morpheus and Fractora. We call that the Brighten Tight as well, because it allows the needle. You can do it after micro needling to get even more out of the peel. We love glutathione. It's not in this product right now. Not really a hero product at all, but it can help lighten the skin. Get in there, get on those pores. We got to get those pores.
I know. Do I look like an Oompa Loompa yet?
Yeah, I know. I actually was going to put myself as a meme the other day with that. Hyla A is our nighttime retinol. He's going to do it actually a little bit stronger. I'm going to have him do it twice a day so he can use this. This has, again, hyaluronic acid, but you know what you can do? Add in your Hyla B when you do this. Add in a little bit extra because you can get you'll get more potency with the moisturizing, because the Hyla B is our vitamin B and Hyla. You can do it right after Morpheus, guys, immediately. We call that Brighten Tight. Apply it right away. You're going to get a lot bigger of a reaction, though. Stay tuned for that. It's our favorite. And then if he gets very dry and he wants more moisturizing, he'll use Soothe. And Soothe, although you have the Hyla B, which I think is great, Soothe itself was made to hydrate. It has also vitamin C in it. It also has in it the sea whip extract, which is our marine extract in there. And it has in it squalene, so it's very hydrating. This is a barrier protection. If you get a lot of peeling, this is really good. It's in the kit. But if you have the Hyla B, use that in the morning and the Refit. And if you have this, you can use this at night because this is more moisturizing. Double Time Twins, I love you guys. How are you? So Julian's applying it, guys, and we're almost there. I mean, he's literally almost done.
I think this is the last of it. There we go. Cool.
Oh, I can't wait to do your fillers, Jordan. It's going to be great. We could do it on the same day. And there's really no restriction for working out when you're peeling. It's just if you do an aggressive peel, because they're asking about working out with peeling. If you do an aggressive peel, it may burn a little bit. So
with this peel, I'm sweating, I'm working out tomorrow, I'm going on a run, and we have a heat wave in LA, I'm fine?
You'll be fine. Yeah, I mean, this
Okay.
is, listen, just sun protection and a hat. I always tell people these types of peels are not really high risk when you're in the sun. Hi, guys in Venezuela. You guys need to carry our line. Email us because we have people in Colombia now and Argentina, so we need you to definitely start to carry it. I do this mask once a month, but I just did it 2 weeks in a row, which is why my skin is looking really good. But I purged a little bit. You could do it twice a month if you want.
Okay, yeah. So how often would you recommend?
I mean, look, I would do it once a month if I was really in a good skincare routine.
Right.
I would do it once a month.
Okay.
So that's really
you
it.
can't overdo it with this one. It's
not really. No, I mean, I don't do it every day, but if you do it a couple times in a row, like a week apart, you'll get a little irritated. I did. My neck was a little itchy, but I think you can do face, neck, and chest.
Right.
If you have sun damage there at least once a month, and it'll boost everything you're doing. What I tell people is get your facial once a month and then apply this that night. That's the perfect thing to do. You get a facial, you get all the extractions, and you apply the peel. It'd be perfect. So show them up close what it looks like. Does it have any smell?
Not that I noticed, honestly.
Yeah, it doesn't, which is great. And you got everything on there?
Yeah.
Perfect.
So I used the whole tube.
So he is going to take pictures every day, you guys. He's going to do some videos every couple days. If he wants to every day, we can. Hi, Ryan. And again, inside, it really has everything you need. It has the kit with the information. But I want you guys to know, the reason I made this is I wanted people's skin to make them feel good about themselves and give them the courage to do whatever they want in their life. Right. So here, the courage to redefine, because we're redefining your skin. And this basically says, beauty is a judgment placed upon us by others. Courage is a natural occurring element already inside of you. We believe how you feel about yourself is what really matters. So no matter what you're using, why are you using this skin care product, it doesn't matter. All that matters is when your skin looks good, you feel good about yourself.
Right.
So where is everybody from? Because remember, I always do that shout out
every
time. And last time we had people from all over the world. I see patients in Los Angeles, New York, Chicago. We're working on Minnesota right now.
Oh.
I hear my patient Venezuela. Right now we're seeing San Mateo, Iowa. We have people from Iowa. We had Nebraska, Vegas, Tennessee.
Where do you want to go next?
That's a good question. We love Florida. We love Ohio. These are a lot of my patients from Texas. We have patients here from Australia, Panama, Chicago.
Wow.
We'll be back in Chicago most likely in a month. We will be announcing it very soon. Orange County, we got to bring you in if you're in Orange County.
I know, they
come to the office.
Come up north.
South America, this is so great. So you guys, you need to get the AERIFY kit. You can get this anywhere in the world. We just shipped this to Nigeria today. I'm telling you, it's unbelievable. There's our Colombians. We love our Colombians. It's amazing. Peru, we have our patients from Peru.
What are we
all over the world? We love
EMERAGE
this.
Cosmetics?
So last minute, you guys, what last questions do you have for Julian? What questions do you have for me? Again, I pinned down below emeragecosmetics.com. Remember, that website not only has Emerage Skin, but it has all the products that we like in our office that we test and we use.
Right.
Many product lines that we love, like Restoracy and Sente and Faith and Rev Skin. So you definitely want to, and you can do free skincare consults every day. Just go up to the top and go to virtual consultation, click esthetician or skincare specialist. And that's it. I can't wait, Carolyn Smith. I can't wait for you to get this. Julian, show them your kit. He's excited, you guys. Very Chanel.
I am. Yes, the packaging. Like, your packaging for all of your skincare. The box that I got the Hyla B in was just... I kept the box. Because it's
show them. Do you have it or no? Is it close?
It's in the other room. Should I grab it?
Yeah, grab it. Show it to them. Yeah.
All right. 1 second.
Jason, we'll ask Julian his sign in a minute, and we'll tell him to slide into your DM.
My sign?
Yeah, they want to know your sign, and they want you to slide into their DMs.
Okay.
So,
My
so
sign,
here, he's going to show you guys the Hyla B box.
what's your sign? Virgo.
Oh my God, Julian, they want you to slide into their DMs.
I have a birthday in 2 weeks. Okay.
So show them the inside.
So it's got the magnetic clasp, which is like already.
We love.
Wow. Like.
Thank you, Carolyn.
Boom.
And then inside, what does it say on that one? That this is the courage to be bold.
No, this is courage to glow.
Oh, courage to glow. I want you to, so you're supposed to take that off and look at the back.
Oh, I didn't know it came off.
Yeah, you rip it off, look at the back, show them the back.
All right.
And it says,
skin.
show us how you glow, tag us. So what you need to do is you're going to take a picture and tag us with it because we want to see you with this Oompa Loompa face.
Right.
It's perfect with our EMERAGE Skin Glow. So our hashtag is no filter, just EMERAGE Skin.
Right. Just, I love the packaging.
Thank you. Well,
so
we actually we made it so it was environmental friendly, and it was nice and sleek and very simple for everybody. So again, we talked about AERIFY. Julian will go over this, you guys. He'll do a little, I want him to do a little video tonight, make a little short video. We'll post it on, and we'll keep following him over 2 weeks. And that's it. So say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. Have a great night. I want you all to AERIFY. And again, some of the proceeds go to different groups that we're going to be donating to. So the more you get an EMERAGE skin, the more I can get back. Thank you guys so much. Have a good night. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
So remember, you guys, emeragecosmetics.com is my cosmetic site for all doctor-dispensed products. There's stronger peels on there called Enlighten and Cosmolon that can be used through virtual consultation. The AERIFY kit doesn't need a virtual consultation. You could use this as much as you want. I tell people no more than once or twice a month. It's really all you need. Triluma is not that great for your skin. It has steroid in it. I would not be putting a steroid on my skin. I'm a dermatologist, and I'm telling you, don't do it. But definitely start our consultation and start EMERAGE Skin because you're going to love it.